Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using a milk pump so that mothers can better understand whether pumping fits their lifestyle and daily routine. A milk pump can be a very useful tool for many mothers. It offers flexibility and allows milk to be collected and stored for later use when needed. One advantage is convenience. Many mothers use a pump when returning to work, traveling, or managing busy schedules. Having stored milk available can make planning easier. Another benefit is flexibility for family members. Pumping allows other caregivers to help with feeding, giving mothers more options throughout the day. Many mothers also appreciate the ability to build a milk storage supply. This can provide peace of mind and make daily routines feel more organized. However, pumping also requires time and preparation. Equipment must be assembled, cleaned, and stored properly after each session. Some mothers find that carrying pump parts, storage containers, and cleaning supplies can add extra tasks to their daily routine. Another consideration is scheduling. Regular pumping sessions often require planning and consistency, which may feel challenging during busy days. The experience can also vary from mother to mother. Some mothers enjoy pumping and find it easy to include in their routine, while others prefer different feeding approaches. There is no perfect choice for everyone. The best option is usually the one that fits comfortably into your lifestyle, schedule, and personal preferences. With the right expectations, good organization, and a routine that works for your family, a milk pump can be a helpful tool for many mothers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.